I bet you guys can't guess where I'm at right now. Oh wait, you probably can. You just saw the NC there, the NC there, the NC there. We are at Cameron's place, and a lot of stuff actually happening today for the Miata. A lot of surprise stuff. I haven't really talked a whole lot about it. We're gonna get right into it, but pretty much I've got, oh dude, this is gonna be great. As you guys saw in the last video, we did the Tofu livery officially. We've got the Fujiwara Tofu Shop stickers on the side. And that adds at least 50 horsepower for sure, and like plus 10 points on braking. You know, on some scale that means 10 is the best. So I can outbrake and outhandle any car in the world. But you know, it would be nice to have some better Swaybars to just assist, to bring that level to 11, you know, like 11 out of 10, so I can really, you know, hit the toge hard and deliver the tofu. Jokes aside, we are installing a carbon fiber hood on the 2006 Miata. That's kind of a project car on the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. We're also going to be doing Rx8 Swaybars, which is kind of a factory upgrade. They're direct bolt-ons to the NC Miatas, and they're way stiffer than stock, so it's kind of a cheap upgrade. It's only $100 to install some Rx8 Swaybars. Pretty stoked about that. And then, if we still have time after that, Cameron has recently learned how to tune NC Miatas. So we don't have a lot of time to do like a full performance tune, but I'm thinking maybe some pops and bangs. Pops and bangs? I like pops and bangs. Yeah, we'll see what happens. We might do some pops and bangs. So come with us. It's going to be a fun little video. Under tray is off. Cameron is in full swing. His hair is on point. He's looking good. We've got beer. Ooh, and we've got penetrating oil. Yep. Are we going to penetrate some things?
Penetrating the rust.
Penetration of rust?
It's not really rust. Yeah. Penetrating the nuts and bolts.
Totally. Okay, stock came out way easier than my NDs did. And there's Rx8 Swaybar. So, as you guys can see, the difference in thickness is quite massive.
It's bigger in fact.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is going to be awesome.
Cool.
Power venting. With power venting, we have a new hood. It's carbon!
It's rad, nobody cares.
All the carbon.
This up all the way.
Okay. All the carbon. It's gonna look fucking rad. That's what I care about. Now, grab the other screw. There it is. Carbon hood. We've got Rx8 Swaybars, front and rear. And the tune's not happening tonight. It got a little later than we thought it would before we were done. So next time we will get some pops and bangs and make this car rip a little more. You ready for some poncheros? Poncheros for sure. Look at that hood! What? I basically drive a Dodge Viper now. That's so cool looking. It looks sick from like when you're driving. Like you can see the vents. Oh my gosh, I love this.
Tomorrow.
Surprise! We are back at Cameron's, and this is the next day. We didn't have time to tune it yesterday, but he is a crazy man, and he wanted me to come back because he thinks he can tune my car. So as you can see, we've got the old computer.
Wait. That's rude. What, a crazy think that I can tune
So,
my car? I know I can tune
not
my car.
think.
Come on.
Not think. Sorry. He knows he can tune my car, and that's what we're going to do right now. He's got the old laptop up. He's going to look at my current ECU, tune it, and we'll see what happens. It might have more horsepower. It might be crazy fast, maybe 8,000 RPM red line, 9,000 RPM red line. I don't know. Might, you know, send a rod through my something. I'm not really sure. Might have burbles and crackles. I'm excited. All of these options are on the table right now. Right, Cameron?
Second year, so that it doesn't drive with shit.
All kinds of stuff I don't understand. I'm just gonna get it right in the way of Cameron.
Yeah, right in my eyes. Love it.
First drive.
Flash.
Okay,
Pops. Burble tune.
I've got an actual burble tune.
Ricey burble tune.
But it's not just a burble tune, right? You advance the timing a bit, massaged it, got rid of the first and second gear fuel, or like throttle cut, basically. So I should. Full Hurspers in first and second gear, and all the burbles. Pops. That felt good. That's full throttle. lost on the video or not. So, you also raised the rev limiter to 75, so let's, here, 1 second, or sorry, not 75, 72. Let's see what that looks like. That, I know it's not 7,500 RPMs, but that feels like 75 basically, and that makes me happy, because I always hit rev limiter on track, all the time. Oh, interesting. There's a very distinct point at like 4,800 RPMs where the burbles start. Put it in second. Like, it is noticeable, actually. It just makes the way it used to be just feel a little like... I can't even... What's it...
I am the worst camera person in the entire history of photography, so sorry.
What? I can't even continue a sentence once it starts burbling. I'm just like... Rice power! Alright, we're gonna see if we can show you guys what the burble sounds like. I haven't heard it from the outside yet, so I'm really wanting to know. This car looks so good. Just look at that thing. Straight tofu, man. Oh, yes. That's awesome. That's the best. That's so awesome. Buying that NC Miata has been by far best decision I've ever made. So cheap, so fun. It's just, I just love that car. And thank you guys for coming with me on this journey. Having a lot of fun. See you guys the next track day.